In this video, we are going to see how to raise a loan request for an employee in our ERP system. Let us see the details to enter a loan request for an employee. First, request date. We have to enter the request date. Next, we have to select the employee ID and employee name. Next, we have to select the loan type. Next, reference part. Next will be the required date. We have to select which required date. Next will be the loan amount. We have to enter the loan amount. Next, installment deduction mode as number of installment. Next, number of installment field, how much month we have to enter. So let us enter these data into our ERP system. Let us log in our ERP system. Enter the credentials, username and password. Once log in our ERP system, to raise a loan request for an employee, we have to navigate to the screen Payroll. In Payroll transaction, in transaction employee loan request screen. Once entered into the screen, to raise a loan request, we have to click this particular add button. So let us enter the data related to loan request. First field will be the request date. We have to select which request date. Next field, employee ID, we have to select the employee. After selecting this employee ID, employee name, department, unit and designation will be reflecting. Next field will be the loan. We have to select the loan type. Next, reference field, we have to enter the reference field. Next, required details. We have to select the date. Next field is loan amount. We have to enter the loan amount. Next field will be installment deduction mode. There will be two types, number of installment and the installment amount. Based on the selection, here the field will be enabled. So now we have selected number of installments. So number of installment field will be enabled. Enter the number of installment. Next part will be the surety part. Select the employee of surety, employee 1 and employee 2. After filled all these data, save this particular document. Now this particular loan request document have been created successfully. Now let us forward this particular document to the approval person. So click this post button. Now the workflow approval will be reflecting in this. Select the priority mode and select the approval user. Click the OK button. Now this particular document have been forwarded to the particular approval person. Let us log in that particular approval person and approve this particular loan request document. So we have logged in the approval login. Here the notification will be there. Select the approval part. This particular loan request document have been reflecting here. The approval person should select this particular loan request document. After selecting this line data, we have to click this process button. Here the approval pop-up will be reflecting. Different types will be there. The approval person can approve this particular document or can forward this particular document or can return this particular document. Now we are going to approve this particular document. So select the approve part. Next, click this process button. So now this particular loan request have been processed successfully. Now let us see the status of this particular document in the request user login. Now to check the status of this particular document, we have to navigate to the same screen in Payroll, Transaction, Employee Loan Request. Just click this particular search button